Traffic accidents are a leading cause of death and injury worldwide, affecting millions each year. Beyond the human toll, they also have significant economic and social consequences. Understanding the reasons behind traffic accidents is crucial to preventing them and ensuring road safety. Human error is the primary cause, with speeding, reckless driving, and distractions being major factors. Poorly maintained vehicles can suffer mechanical failures, increasing accident risks. Hazardous road conditions like potholes and inadequate lighting also contribute. Inclement weather, such as rain and fog, reduces visibility. Lastly, driver fatigue impairs reaction times and judgment. Encourage safe driving practices, like defensive driving and obeying traffic laws. Regular vehicle maintenance can prevent mechanical failures. Implement road safety measures such as guardrails and improved lighting. Check weather forecasts and adjust driving habits accordingly. Educate drivers on road safety, first aid, and emergency procedures. Strengthen traffic laws and enforcement to deter reckless driving. Utilize advanced safety features like airbags and lane departure warnings. Conduct public awareness campaigns to promote responsible driving. By understanding the reasons behind traffic accidents and adopting preventive measures, we can significantly reduce their occurrence. Let's work together to make our roads safer for everyone.